Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make this yummy Indian noodles. It's my version of noodles and it has potato in it, and I'm sure many of you don't like the idea of potato in a noodle, but this is good if not better. So let's get it started with the ingredients. I have taken some noodles which I've crushed, 3 eggs, coriander, yes right, we are going to use coriander, some cucumber, some carrots, some onions, some green chilies, turmeric powder, pepper and potato and carrots. So I have a pan which has some water boiling. I have added some salt to it and I'm going to add the noodles which are crushed. Yes. Now I'm going to boil it meanwhile, and then some oil so that the noodles doesn't stick together. So meanwhile I'm going to fry my vegetables. एक वोक है, उसमें तेल डाल देंगे और इसमें potatoes and carrots. Now you can add capsicums and beans, whatever you feel like, but this is how I like to eat. I add beans. I did not have any in my fridge, so इसमें मैं अभी डाल दूंगी नमक and some turmeric powder. I have been eating this recipe since my childhood and I love it. I just love it and I wanted to share so that you guys make it and eat. Okay, so the noodles here, it's done. मैंने उसको strain करके wash करके थोड़ा सा तेल लगा के I'll just keep it here strainer में, and see it's done here. So मैंने उसको निकाल दिया है and in the same pan थोड़ा सा जो तेल था उसे मैंने finely chopped onions डाल दिया है, some salt, some turmeric powder. उसको ज़्यादा कुक करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, थोड़ा सा स्टर करके विल ऐड द एग्स. ओके, ग्रीन चिलीज, एंड कम्स द एग. थोड़ा सा उसको हिलाएंगे. नाउ इफ़ यू वांट बिग चंक्स then don't move it. थोड़ा सा कुक हो जाए only then you can move it. उसके बाद मैंने इसमें डाल दिया freshly grounded black pepper and some coriander leaves. उसको मैंने निकाल दिया है. Now in the pan I'm going to add some more oil, and to that I'm going to add some green chilies, finely chopped green chilies, and goes in the noodles. Be careful with the oil and the salt here because जो मैंने previously fry किया हुआ है उसमें भी oil है and it has salt in it, so be careful. थोड़ा सा turmeric powder. Now the flame is low here because I'm trying to stir everything together. Some salt, some black pepper, flame low है and I'm just trying to mix everything together. Everything. I need a script writer. Such a tongue twister. Anyway, so mix everything together. Looks good, isn't it? It's very yummy. Just try it, guys. I'm sure you'll love it. It smells good. And the final touch is the coriander leaves. I have this beautiful bowl, platter, I don't know what to call, just serving it. and it's yummy. I learned this from my helper back home when I was a kid, and yeah, with some cucumber and carrots, and this is how it looks like. I hope you guys like this recipe. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. See you again. Bye bye.